Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with media in Filmora 13. Okay, so you will learn how to create a new project, how to import your media into the software, and how to split your video, add transition between video, and also how to add special effect, emoji, and also how to add text to your video. Okay, so I think this video is useful for a beginner who don't know anything about the software. So if you want to try it, go ahead to the link in the description. And be mentioned that this video is sponsored by Wondershare Filmora. I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, let's go to my computer screen. Alright, and this is my Filmora 13 start page. If I want to create a YouTube video, the first thing I want to do is to select the aspect ratio of the video. So I'm going to select 16:9 here. By the way, you can select different aspect ratio for your project. For example, Instagram, portrait, standard, and business, or stuff like that. So we are going to select 16:9 for a YouTube video. And we want to click this button to create a new project. This is my Filmora 13 editing layout, and if you want to change the layout, you want to click this layout mode button. Normally it will be the default layout. By the way, I don't want to use the default layout because I am more familiar with the classic layout. So I will stick with this one. Alright, and now if you want to import your media into the software, there are some solution for you. The first way is to drag and drop the media directly from your computer to the software. So you want to select the media folder right here, and then you want to open the folder on your computer. Okay, and this is the folder on my desktop. It is the folder how to work with media in Filmora 13. So I'm going to open it on my computer. This is the video, so I can select 1, 2, 3, and then I can drag and drop them directly to the software. Okay, it will look like this. Just drag and drop it to this area, and the software will import them. Okay, and if you want to create proxy, you want to click yes, but for now I don't want to create proxy. Okay, so this is the first solution to import your media into the software. And the second solution is to click here at the import button. Okay, and you want to click import media files, and then you want to find the folder on your computer also. So just double click here. For example, I want to select this music file, and I can just click here and select open. Okay, and it will also import the media into the software. And there is another solution, is to import it directly from the application. If you want to import the media from Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, or stuff like that, you want to click here, and then you want to select the service that you have media on it. Okay, and if you want to import it from your camera or a phone, you can select this option also. By the way, I think it's okay to just drag and drop the media from your computer to the software. Alright, and these are the media in your media folder. By the way, you have some option to view them. For example, if you want to change the view option, you want to click this 3-dot button. Okay, and select view, and you can change it to list view or large thumbnail view or small thumbnail view. If you have many videos here in this folder, you can select small thumbnail view. It will look like this. Okay, or you can change it to list view. For example, you have list view and you have the name of the media here, the type, the frame rate, in point, and out point. But normally I would select medium thumbnail view, so I'm going to change it to medium thumbnail view. Alright, so now you have the media in your media folder, and if you want to split the video, delete the video, it is very simple. For example, if you want to play the video or preview the video, you can just click here.
Quên nhầm, các bạn sẽ đáp xuống đây, không phải.
And with Filmora 13, you can also set in point and out point for your media also. For example, if I want to start the video right here, I can just select this option, in point, also mark in point, and then we can click here, got it, and we can play the video. And we can mark the out point. For example, we can mark the out point here. And with Filmora 13, you can drag only the video, or the video with the audio, or you can drag only the audio onto the timeline. For example, if I want to use both the video and audio, I can just click here and then drag and drop them onto the timeline. And now the video will have both video and audio. Okay, and if you want to perform a split action or stuff like that, you can also add another video onto the timeline. For example, I can add this video onto the timeline and click here to view everything on the timeline, and we can play.
Ok.
Alright, so for example, I want to split the video at this section. Now you can use this split button to split the video. So just put the playhead anywhere that you want to split. For example, I want to split the video right here. Just click here to split the video. And now if I want to delete this section, I want to select it, and then I can click this button to delete it, okay, or press delete on my keyboard. Okay, so it's simple, right?
Chỗ này là chỗ đồi bù Trương Mỹ các bạn nhé. Đó.
And if I want to trim the video, it is also very easy. You want to click at the end of the video, and then you want to hold your mouse and drag it to the left to trim the video. This is how to trim the video, okay? It is super simple, right? So this is how you can split, delete the video and trim the video. By the way, if you want to add a transition between clip here, it is also very easy. For example, if I want to add a video transition and audio transition at this position, all I need to do is to go to the transition tab right here. And now I want to find the transition that I want to add to my video. For example, I can select the basic one, and we can select the dissolve transition. Just drag and drop it here. And now you want to control the duration of the transition. You can just double click at the transition here on the timeline, and you can adjust the duration. For example, I can change it to 1 second, okay, and click OK. So this is the video transition. And if you want to add audio transition, you want to do the same. Just go to transition, and then you want to find the audio transition here, because sometimes you want to maintain the audio gain at the transition position. For example, I can select this constant gain audio transition, just drag and drop it at this position. So this is how you can add transition in Filmora 13. By the way, there are many transitions you can use: basic, zoom, and popular. There are many different types of transitions you can add to your video. Okay, and what if you want to create a title or add text to your video? It is also very simple. First thing, you want to put the playhead at the position you want to add text or title, and then you want to go to the title tab here. And again, there are many title templates inside Filmora that you can use. For example, I can use this one in title, and we can just drag and drop it onto the timeline, and remember to put it on top of your video. Okay, and now I can double click here to customize the title, and it is paragliding vlog. So this is the title of my video, and I can resize it to 44, for example. 44 is too small, as 60. Okay, and I can just put it right here. Okay, and let's click OK. By the way, we have many options for the text or the title in Filmora 13. Let's click OK. And now we have a title on our video. Okay, and what if I want to change the look of my video with a filter? It is also possible. Just select the effect tab here, and we have the filter and LUT here. Okay, and remember to select the free one, otherwise you have to subscribe to their subscription service to get the paid one. Okay, so I'm going to select the free one, and I think I should choose this one, movie number 3, and I can just drag and drop it here and put it on top of my video. And if you want to adjust the filter, it is very simple. Just double click at the filter here or the timeline, and you can reduce or increase the opacity of the filter. And with Filmora 13, we have a very useful tools here, which is the protect skin tones. Okay, so you want to adjust it to protect your skin tone, something like this. And you can see that my skin tone is better. So this is a very useful feature in Filmora 13. You want to use it whenever you want to add a filter to your video. Okay, and if you want to add sticker or stuff like that, you want to go to the sticker folder here. Again, there are many stickers you can add to your video. For example, I can add a like button here. Just drag and drop it. And we can adjust the like button. Okay, just make it a small button like this. Nice, right? And finally, if you want to add a background music to your video, you want to go back to your media again, and here I have a background music and we can just put it here. So this is just a demo, so I will mute the audio here because it is in Vietnamese. You don't want to hear my Vietnamese. Okay, I can mute it, and then I can just extend the video to this position, and I will split the audio track and extend it here and add a fade out for my audio. And finally, we want to export the video. Okay, so just click here at this export button, and let's say this is the demo video, and click setting for more setting, and I want to increase the bitrate here to 20,000, and let's click apply, and now I can export the video. Okay, so this is how you can work with your media in Filmora 13. I hope this video is helpful for you. To access more tutorials, just click on the link at Filmora Creator Hub at the start page of the program. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the like button. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!